Hey, if you like to look at houses, let's tour this house together. Now, this house is 2,449 square feet, 2-story, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, owner's suite downstairs with 2-car garage. Now, this house costs a whopping I'm not going to tell you yet. I want you to look around and guess, okay? And then I will relate that information to you later. And as soon as you enter, you are greeted by that beautiful and charming dining room with a well-lit passageway that takes you directly towards the back of the house. And it takes you right into that open concept living. So here on the left, we have this well-polished and modern kitchen that also leads directly into the dining room. So what do you think of the size of that pantry? Is it spacious enough for you? Enjoying this video so far? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as a way to support this channel, as well as communicating to me that you would like to see more videos like this. On the back of this beautiful home is a covered patio. As you can see, this house has lots of room for living and entertaining. Now, this type of chrome pull-out faucet is amazing when it comes to disguising stains. So tell me what you think about the layout of this house. And now I'm about to take you over into the master bedroom. But before I do so, here is the downstairs laundry room and half bath. So I'm usually not a fan of isolated toilets, and that is just me, guys. What do you think about it? A handheld bidet would work great in this space. The closet space, I think, is absolutely wonderful. It is big enough for 2 people. There is lots of shelving and lots of places for storing things. So I am completely wowed by the downstairs of this house because I love the layout and I love the quality that they put into their homes. So now I cannot wait to go upstairs and see what's there. So we have a little Jack and Jill situation here where this bathroom is shared by 2 bedrooms, and I think that is wonderful, completely amazing. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? This bedroom comes with its own balcony. I mean, this is not something that you see every day. So for the size of this house, I did not see this coming. This house has a loft. That is a plus. So that's a hangout space right there for your children to play. There is also another bedroom that is attached to the loft, which makes this house a total of 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. And now to answer the big question of the day. This house, which is located in the Savannah area of Georgia, is going for $475,000. Do you think it's worth it? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Once again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as a way to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next house tour.